John, does this ruling, does it change anything in your outlook?
Not at all. If anything, when you get an announcement like this, you've got to consider that you've got players on both sides of the trading floors essentially making decisions related to changing positions, repositioning, adding to positions. This has to be baked in and then considered what will actually happen. And as you all mentioned, it will take a while for this to take effect, and then the response is likely to see, with the current administration, the tariffs likely to remain using other tenets of the law. And so essentially this is near-term drama for short-term players, some excitement on the trading floor for some people, and for others, if anything, look for any babies that get thrown out with the bathwater.
So does that not mean that optimism, maybe margins will get better, maybe corporate profits? This is a tailwind for that. Is it just too soon to make any of those assumptions, John?
I think it is most certainly much too soon to make assumptions on that. But I think that's why initially you saw consumer discretionary popped. Right away, they thought of all those items that were imported. The tariffs had been already paid for, money coming back. What recalibration would that have to do related to earnings and revenue growth? So you take, particularly to earnings, but when you look at that, I won't say it's a non-event, because from a legal position and a position related to the administration and moving forward, it most certainly is important. But in terms of the market, intermediate to long-term players, this is more of, if anything, it's an opportunity to either stay put, continue the diversification process away from overconcentration that's already begun, and remain on expectations that the economy has slowed somewhat, solely because the Fed had raised 11 times, been on pause for 14 with only 6 cuts. Not much to be expected, but some slowing. And it's not that I'm not impressed by the news item, but I am certainly saying it's more of a legal issue. And I think David, with his legal background, would certainly have ideas on